I thank you for your time. I'm a Mexican engineer, Roberto Limon, and I want to express to you a few results I found based on a methodology I developed years ago that has allowed me excellent results within the construction projects management. This methodology, I name it the missing element theory. This is an analytical technique that allows me to search advantage, to clear opportunities, to increase the possibility of success, and in general, to consider questions that had not been considered before. The missing element theory, it's an analytical technique, and it has nothing to do with guessing practices nor divine entities. This is a technique that allows me to anticipate, to prevent, and to improve, certainly according to principles included in the study. Following, I will express an example to clear up the idea. Let's think on a plane flight. Every takeoff should be authorized and documented previous to fly. By the use of a checklist, every point is reviewed to ensure right conditions. If necessary, some points are correct up to a right condition. But once all points are satisfactory, then it's possible to authorize a takeoff. That makes a lot of sense. Now let's think a fail happens and the plane is forced to an emergency landing. This brings a hard research in order to know the exact misfunction. Once the exact misfunction is found, several actions take place in order to avoid the same fail for future flights. And the checklist get modified. Those modified points within the checklist, I call them the missing elements. Why? Due to the simple reason that as long as those points are not considered, it seems they don't exist or they are unneeded. However, once an event reveals them, then those shall be no missing elements no more. As we know, every system is susceptible to improvement. The missing element theory tries to reach those improvables but previous to a fail occur. Its focus is prevention. It challenges and questions the systems as they are actually working. In following videos, I will expose examples from different matters that will make patent these theory possibilities. I offer my services in a personal and confidential manner that allow your organization advantages at the area you prefer. Of course, based on current information to start up the particular study and the search of the maximum advantage as possible. I will be waiting for your questions and consults.